What's up there, friends of World's Best Adventures? Out here at Panthertown, doing a little hiking, enjoying a little scenery, getting ready for the spring season with you guys. Have some good hikes to go on, some new trail to cover. So do yourself a favor, get outside, take a day hike, book a trip with World's Best Adventures. Let us do all the work for you. So all you have to do is carry a pack, walk, and enjoy the stress-free environment. Bring your family. Man, what a great way to spend the weekend. Anyhow, I hope you guys are doing good. Take care. The Great Wall. Going up to the top tomorrow. Panthertown. Come get you some. These are old. Cut into the rock. Pretty cool. First night camp, got a little bit of rain, not a whole lot, but got a little bit. Didn't come very far in because of the weather. If I would have kept going, I would have had to, there we go, I would have had to go up and over that to get to water on the other side. So I'm going to try to go over the mountain tomorrow, down the other side, up another one. I'm about a mile from the truck, and yeah, having a good time. A little solo backpack. See ya. Headed up Big Green Mountain this morning. Give you a little view here. Let's see. There we go. Good night last night. Woke up some cold weather this morning, and a nice uphill hike. Ought to be a good day. Ought to be a good day. Cool little bridge. A little bit treacherous. Not too bad. Coming at you, Panther'sville. Headed up Big Green Mountain. Gonna try to get up and over it today. Up and over Little Green Mountain. Pretty tough hike coming up out of the Great Wall, but it is a good one to get warmed up this morning. Headed up Big Green Mountain. I bet in springtime this is going to be beautiful. Everything blooming. Let's see what it's going to look like up here at the top. Oh yeah, up here on top of Big Green Mountain, looking down on Panthertown Valley, right here off the edge of the Great Wall of Panthertown. What a beautiful place. Hike wasn't too bad. Good way to get the lungs going. I am, let's see, not quite a mile from where I camped last night down at the base of the wall. So a little campsite here, but not much. All right. moving on. I, my friends, was incorrect. Now I'm headed to the top of Big Green Mountain. Oh yeah. The trail split back there, and I took a split and didn't realize it, but that was just an overlook. Pulled up my handy dandy All Trails app, realized I wasn't there yet, which I'm thankful for, because that last view wasn't much to write home about, even though it was beautiful. But this one is going to be unbelievable. Look at that. Panthertown Valley. The town of panthers. The painters. Haven't seen any. Hope I don't. See you in a minute. Alright, after you summit Big Green Mountain, Alex, I tried to take a trail off the other side, and it just kind of runs into a pig trail. It's kind of, I wouldn't feel good. I mean, I'm good with going down it, but I wouldn't feel good bringing clients down it. And according to the topo, it gets pretty steep going down. So I'm gonna double back so that I'm staying on stuff we know we can bring clients on. A little bit more Panthertown beauty. Man, what a great hike. Still on Big Green Mountain Trail. Headed back down. Gonna hike up Little Green Mountain. And probably gonna get in about 8 miles, 10 miles today. Get within striking distance of the truck tomorrow morning, so I'm not super late getting home. There's a reason I've stayed married 31 years. Just absolutely beautiful hike. Beautiful hiking weather. Turned down Max Gap Trail off the Big Green Mountain Trail. Headed down toward Max Gap. Then I'm gonna hike up Little Green Mountain. See what all's down there. Still on Max Gap Trail. Wanted to share some of the scenery. I come out of this Roto tunnel. I see some mountains over here on my right. Oh yeah. Little mid-morning snack break here. One of the things I love are Stroop waffles, so I'm trying out a honey stinger vanilla waffle. Let's see. Yep. Up here on top of Max Gap. Little snack. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's good. See you in a little bit. Max Falls right there. I'm gonna take a still of it as well. Well, that fall, those two falls are definitely a no-go. Max Gap and the one after it. The trail just ends, then winds every which way. So I'm having a bushwhack. Yeah. Don't want to go that way. Schoolhouse Falls never disappoints. I do believe they had misnamed Little Green Mountain. It was anything but little. Whew. Oh yeah. Little Green Top. Great campsite on top of Little Green Mountain. Even a really good bear hang tree. Oh yeah, this is a great hike. Great spot to bring folks, for sure. More from the Little Green Mountain hike. Man, this is a great hike. It follows this granite rim. You get just tons of views. Headed into Green Valley. Just came down Little Green Mountain. Man, what a beautiful hike. All right, made it back to where I wanted to be. Tonight, I'm at the same camp that Alex and I came to the first night of the last hike we did out here. I made a big circle up Big Green Mountain, back down, kind of got turned around on Mack Creek Falls. It's pretty overgrown. So I had to turn back, came across to Panthertown Valley Trail, up Little Green Mountain, off the other side, through Green Valley. Yeah, and back here. Long day. So, yeah, got a lot accomplished and just enjoying this beautiful campsite.